xylem, it is the space between elementary canal or gut or food pipe and food wall. Food pipe and body wall, and developed from the mesoderm. Then, based on the presence or absence of xylem, there may be your acoelomates, coelomates or pseudocoelomates. Next, आम डिस्कसन करिया देखि तमरा आसीबो डिप्लोब्लास्टिक एनिमल्स कोन और ट्रिप्लोब्लास्टिक एनिमल्स कोन. सी symmetry means it is the similarity in arrangement of body parts. So how body parts are designed, how body parts are arranged, how they are systematically represented, various parts. That will explain by symmetry. It may be asymmetric. Asymmetry means जो प्राणी मानकर कौन से निर्दिष्ट बॉडी पार्ट रे समानता न थाए सेमान को आमे कहया asymmetric animals. एग्जांपल आमे नबा स्पॉन्जिला बा तार परिफेरा नहीं करे. See, in case of porifera, it may looks like this one, but it varies in different animals. Means different, you can say sponges. This is also another sponge. So this structure and this structure varies, whereas both are having post, that's why they are porifers. So animals which do not have any similarities in body parts are called asymmetric animals. Example sponges. So then your radial symmetry. So what is radial means kona? Radial means as radius. So mane karo if this is a circle and this is your center and this is your radius. And in animals, let us say in case of you can say hydra. So in case of hydra, it has various tentacles. So any half may looks its similar halves. So every radius is as similar. That's why they are called as radial symmetrical animals. Similarly, bilateral animals, those animals having both left and right sides are looks alike. Set of bilateral symmetry. Example are higher chordates and vertebrates, including human. Then your coelom. So what is coelom? The coelom is the body cavity. It is the seat. If this is gut or food pipe, or you can say elementary canal. And if this is its body wall, let us say this is its body wall. So this space, this is body wall, this is body wall, and this is elementary canal. A जो space का रहता है, this one, A space का रहता है, A space का हमें कहया coelom. कौन कहया हमें coelom. तो आपको ये भी देखते पारे हमें, if this is body wall, this is elementary canal, this part is your coelom. So those animals having a definite body cavity or nucleus are popularly called as coelomates. जो प्राणी मानकर निर्दिष्ट बॉडी कैविटी बा coelom थाए, which is derived from mesoderm, are popularly called as coelomates. Example आमे रखिया है कि higher non-chordates and chordates रखिया. Similarly, those does not contain any definite body cavity, seman को आमे कौन कहया acoelomates. Example आसियो तमरो cylindrids, platyhelminthes, etc. But in some cases, like your Astis-helminthes or Nematohelminthes, here body means although it contains elementary canal, body wall, but instead of having any definite, you can say mesoderm derived cavity, it tissue patches. Tissue patches. That's why they are pseudocoelomates. Pseudocoelomates. Acoelomate and pseudocoelomate. But in case of coelomates, here another line will be derived. Anyway, next we will discuss about what is diploblastic and diploblastic. See, diploblastic and diploblastic means those animals diploblastic animals. Those animals bears a definite two germ layer or embryonic layer are called as diploblastic animals. Diploblastic animals. Example: Porifera, Chidrala, and Cylindrica. So those animals having a definite two germ layers. So now question arises: what is germ layers or what are embryonic layers? For example, let us discuss in detail. See, if this is male, this is female, this is female, it contains or it produces male gamete. It produces, this is let us say male gamete, this is female gamete. They are fertilized to form a diploid zygote. This like structure will take place. This is fertilization or amphibiasis of gametes. As a result, here diploid zygote will be formed. ठीक है, तो male gamete, female gamete. So it also mating. This is your fertilization. समान प्रक्रिया. Zygote पर mitotic division will take place to form, means this type of division of zygote takes place. This is called as cleavage. This cleavage further forms a solid ball-like structure which is called morula, and this morula further develops or further produces this like structure. This is blastula or blastocyst. This blastula, by morphogenetic movement, they will form three germ layers. So 80 outer ectoderm, middle mesoderm, and middle mesoderm and inner endoderm. Then formation of organs means organogenesis takes place. Organogenesis takes place for formation of organ. So from formation of gametes takes place by gametogenesis. Then union of gametes takes place by fertilization, which is amphibiasis of gametes. Then formation of zygote, and now by I to D division of small vascular it will produce cleavage, and due to cleavage a solid ball like structure produces. This is your morula, and from morula sheet like embryonic cells takes place, that is your blastula, and from this blastula here three germ layers will be formed: ectoderm, endoderm and mesoderm by morphogenetic movement according to future organ forming area. तापर फॉर्मेशन होगा ऑर्गेनोजेनेसिस. सो ये है हमर जर्म लेयर. तो जेउ प्राणी मानकर केवल दी जर्म लेयर थियो ताकू कहंती डिप्लोब्लास्टिक, जो मानकर तीन जर्म लेयर थियो ताकू कहंती डिप्लोब्लास्टिक. फॉर एग्जांपल, इन केस ऑफ cylindrids, in case of cylindrids, it contains outer ectoderm, inner endoderm. In between these two layers, there is a cementing adhesive substance present called mesoglia. See, meso means middle, glia means blue, blue means adhesive. So these two layers, so it is made up of this structure. माने इनकी देखते पहले हमें this structure. This is outer ectoderm, this is inner endoderm, this is middle mesoglia. So in case of diploblastic animals, only two germ layers are produced. Whereas in case of certain animals, shows three germ layers called triploblastic animals. Triploblastic animals. Those animals having three germ layer or embryonic layer H, ectoderm, mesoderm and endoderm are called triploblastic animals. Triploblastic animals. For example, हमें रखिए have non-porous annelida, mollusca, etc. ହେଲା. तो जो प्राणी मानकर तीन जर्म लेयर रहियो सेमान कहउछथि एंडोडर्म, सॉरी सेमान कहउछथि डिप्लोब्लास्टिक. तो आउटर एक्टोडर्म रहियो, मिडिल मेसोडर्म रहियो, इनर एंडोडर्म रहियो. एनीवे, नाउ we go through metabolic segmentation. So what is metabolic segmentation? In animals, or you can say segmentation. In animals, body divides externally and internally into segments with a serial repetition. So means it contains this type of blocks. So both externally and you can say internally also they are divided. So these parts are called as your means each fragments. These are your metameter like structure. Example number earthworm. In case of earthworm, these are your metameres, and these lines means these blocks or segments are separated by a fine membrane called septa. Hello. So segmentation means कौन in animals where body divides both externally and internally. तो outer side देखने को जो differentiation कम मार करो in case of earthworms there is a depression in the outer side and also inner side. So externally internally divides body into various segments with serial repetition. So it will continue from anterior part to posterior part. तो जो केस रे एई टाइप रो बॉडी रिपीटेशन आछे से मानो कहंती मेटामेरिक से मानो कोन सेगमेंटेशन और इन केस ऑफ earthworm इट हम कहया मेटामेरिक सेगमेंटेशन right now notochord. Notochord, it is a spring or rod-like structure. String or rod-like structure develops in dorsal side of an embryo. Those organisms bears a true notochord are called codex. Whereas those organisms does not bear notochord are called non-codex. Example: Porifera to Hemipodata. Porifera to Hemipodata. Porifera example are from sponges. But example number balances. ठीक है. Those organisms having a true notochord are called codex. So our example number here from protocodex to mammalia. So mammalia example number kariya human. Protocodex example number kariya harmony. ठीक है. So it is a string or rod-like structure which develops in dorsal side. Dorsal side माने कोटा करिया. See, if this is the let us say face, and this part is your anterior end. This part is anterior, or you can say oral end. Oral end. This part is posterior or aboral end. Posterior or aboral end. Upper part, this is dorsal side. This is dorsal side and this is ventral side, right? So codex ro केतटा माने कैरेक्टर रहियो जेमिति कि प्रेजेंस ऑफ डोर्सल नॉटोकॉर्ड नॉटोकॉर्ड जोटा हम कहले स्ट्रिंग लाइक रॉड लाइक स्ट्रक्चर इन केस ऑफ वर्टिब्रेट्स इनो हम मेरुदंड कहउचे। सेकंड प्रेजेंस ऑफ नर्व कॉर्ड जोटा हम हायर ऑर्गेनिज्म रे हम कहउचे सुषुम्ना कांड कहउचे बा स्पाइनल कॉर्ड कहउचे नॉटोकॉर्ड हला नर्व कॉर्ड हला देन डोर्सल नॉटोकॉर्ड नर्व कॉर्ड आ कोन रहियो फारेंजियल गिल सिक्स रहियो आ पोस्ट एनल टेल रहियो एगुडा का हम आगु डिटेल से पढिया। तो सेगमेंटेशन कोन जानलो नॉटोकॉर्ड कोन जानलो डिप्लोब्लास्टिक कोन जानलो आ तमरो सिलोम कोन जानलो गोटे क्विक रिकैप ने दिया। तो till now we have discussed in basis of classification here your level of organism, then open and closed type, then symmetry, then coelom, then segmentation, then diploblastic and triploblastic, diploblastic and triploblastic and नॉटोकॉर्ड। ठीक है। तो इन केस ऑफ levels of organism, in case of level of organism it consists of protoplasmic level of organism, cellular level of organism, tissue level of organism and tissue system level of organism, or you can say organ level of organism and organ system level of organism. So various complexities and these complexities are found in which animals. Then open type and closed type or open system and closed types of, you can say, circulation is seen in which organisms. Those are having distinct pumping organ, distinct valves, distinct well developed blood vessels, and oxygenation will take place with environment or with the respiratory organ. So it is closed type. Then symmetry, having similar body halves, asymmetric animals, symmetric animals, then your radial symmetrical animals and bilateral animals. तो ठीक से भी देखा था तुम्हारा सीलम का बॉडी कैविटी, तो बॉडी कैविटी है स्पेस बिटवीन एलिमेंट्री कैनल एंड और गट वॉल को हम कौन कहे बॉडी वॉल व्हिच इज डिराइव्ड फ्रॉम मेजोडर्म। इट कंसिस्ट ऑफ your those having coelom are coelomates, those does not bear coelom are acoelomates, and if in case of coelomic region tissue patches are developed instead of mesoderm, that is your pseudocoeloms. Then segmentation, how body having repeatedly divided externally and internally into different blocks. So these are forms metamers and separated from each other by septa. Then diploblastic and triploblastic having two germ layers. Those organisms having two germ layers are diploblastic like ectoderm and endoderm. And those organisms doesn't contains both ectoderm, endoderm and mesoderm are popularly called triploblastic animals. Then notochord organisms having distinct string-like structure or rod-like structure in the dorsal side during embryonic stage are called chordates, and those does not bear they are non-chordates. Next we will go through porifera. Pore bearing animals. Pore bearing animals. So we will go through in details.